All right, guys, so this is the Brushy Mountain Overland event. You could see the old state jail behind me. We're gonna walk around and take a look at all different vendors. You can see all sorts of different campers out there. The vendors are down that way. We're gonna swing back around. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And go to our website, overlandoutfitters.com, where you'll get the best prices and fast shipping on trusted brands. There's Darren's setup with his bean trailer. Let's go check this out. Hopefully I don't fall. Make sure to like so I don't fall. All right, so this is the entrance. And we'll kind of spin around a little bit. This is a restaurant they have. They have a tour that they actually run here most of the time. They have, hey, how you doing? Got some good stuff over here. We'll kind of go over to the state jail, and I'll throw up the drone so you can see this in person. But you can see this used to be a state jail here, and we're actually near Windrock. So if you can imagine, you know, being locked up here, yeah, pretty cool setup. So let's go check out the vendors. Let's go see what we find, what cool stuff. Again, we're with ICECO, and we're really glad to be offering their products. Hey guys, so we're walking around Brushy Mountain, and let's get started with this. First of all, these Zerobreeze units are so awesome. It's, if you could read that, 54 degrees, but we're gonna start off with Expedition trailers, the Off-Tracks Phoenix. You can see it's like fully built out. It's got our friends at Taruca, the 270 awning, and we're just gonna peek around. He's got the iCamper. We started carrying some iCamper products also. So these are really nice tents, comfortable tents. And then we'll just walk over. There's Daniel, our good friend. This is a 6-foot awning. And then we have the shower room. And you could see the 270 awning here with the lights. And we even have his new rooftop tent that, if you see our other videos, you'll see the topography on the inside, just really badass tent. So let's keep walking around and take a look at the expo. I'll jump in. How you doing?
Good.
Brad,
how are
right?
you? Yep. Absolutely.
How you doing, Lewis?
Good to meet you.
I just walking around doing a little YouTube video.
Heck yeah.
But yeah, the website one more time,
Sunshine State Adventure Co.com.
Nice. And do you have this stuff on the website for sale?
Absolutely. Yep. We have all the swag that you can see here, plus a little bit more sizes, different colors that we don't carry here, but they're on the website. And then, of course, our pride and joy, the fat, the so fat, and the Panhandle Adventure Tour trails, and some other ones are on there too.
Appreciate it. So let's keep exploring. All right, so we started chatting a little bit more with Brad, and he's got his APL 55 black, and these guys, they use their trucks. He's got a Gladiator here, and you said it lives on your truck.
It does, yeah, but it's not shielded from the elements at all. It gets heavy rained on. You can see how dusty and dirty it is. Beat around, scratched. It just takes its dings and dents. It just keeps on kicking. We're super pleased with it.
Awesome. Appreciate it again, Brad.
Of course.
It's Tristan with Cedar Ridge Campers. Our website is cedarridgecampers.com. Also can find us on all the socials at Cedar Ridge Campers.
All right, so we're going to check out these trailers here. This is a really nice setup, and they're out of Kentucky. And yeah, I love the aerodynamic design. They have a box. They have Rome cases. I'll definitely share their information. Cedar Ridge, the Cook Partner stove, Red Arc, really nice trailers, and we'll keep it going, but really digging the layout. Hey guys, so we'll stop and check out one of the food vendors. This is Abby in the Brewrista and the Bean. You're out of
Hampton, Tennessee.
But we're about to get some coffee and check it out. So
The world's top 1% bean. Like, you cannot get this anywhere. It will ruin your taste buds.
Oh Lord, now you messed me up. Hey guys, so I got a good friend here, Brian. If you ever get the chance to try his cafecito, his Cuban style coffee, it's a go. He's here with Tembo Tusk this weekend, and yeah, well, if you tell us a little bit.
So I want to talk to you guys about the Tembo Tusk Scottle. So it is a huge game changer. It solves one of the biggest pain points that we have in overlanding. We all overpack cooking gear and cast iron, and it gets extremely bulky. So with the Tembo Tusk Scottle, what it is it compacts and consolidates everything. No pots, no pans, no skillet, everything in one unit. You can make pastas from scratch. You can make steaks, fried rice. You could make cinnamon rolls, pizza, biscuits. I mean, you can have gourmet food on the trail without having to just eat Spam and Beanie Weenies. So it's an amazing product. It's made right here in the USA in Anaheim, California. So that's always a plus. Everything that you see here, the scottle, the tray, everything compacts into the best thing. This little tiny bag that's over here, everything compacts into this bag, including the legs. The beautiful part is, unlike some of the other products that are in the market that all rust out, I've had my personal Scottle since 2017. And when we walk back over to the Scottle, you guys are going to see this thing looks gorgeous. It's unlike any of the other products out there that you use, you clean, and then they rust out on you. It's great. Super awesome product. Check them out, tembotusk.com.
Perfect. Appreciate you showing us, Brian. Let's go check out the other vendors.
I'm JC with Super Overland in Gainesville, Georgia. We're an outfitter store for any overlanding accessory you can think of. We got jet boils, deck drawers, roto packs, max tracks. This is our show truck. We also do awnings, rooftop tents, and it has the Goal Zero and solar panel inside so you can power all your gear.
Appreciate it. Yeah, we're gonna keep checking other vendors. But if you're in the North Georgia area, Gainesville, check them out for sure. Appreciate it, man. Hey guys, so I want to show you Sean with Cargo Kits. He's gonna show us a little bit real quick on his setup and the website and where we can find you.
Yeah. So, hey, I'm Sean with Cargo Kits. We do vehicle-based storage and kitchen solutions. We've got a couple of new things on this one. This is a new kitchen design drawer that we've got. This one is specifically for the JetBoil Genesis, but we make a universal version. It's a little bit wider. We'll work with a wide variety of stoves. We can do anything from drawers all the way up to full kitchen seat deletes. Partnered with Red Arc. We can do Red Arc battery management. We do seat deletes and pickup trucks, and you can find us at campcargokits.com.
Appreciate it. We'll keep checking out the vendors. Hey guys, I just chatted with Elevated Off-Road. We'll walk around real quick. They got some nice setups, even the Grenadier here. And you could check out, they have a bunch of Gladiators. They're in Tennessee, so you can definitely check them out. Well, look, that looks like a Scout trailer. They got the Go Fast camper right here, and yeah, these are really nice built Jeeps. They got really nice setup, and if you're in the Tennessee area, definitely go check out Infinite Off-Road and check them out. You can see their Instagram handle right there. Hey guys, I'm gonna get a sneak peek over here with Harrison and Rhino USA. They're actually local to Georgia, and he's just gonna give us a little sneak peek into some of the cool new gear that they have.
Yeah, for sure. So for starters, this is a lot of our new camping and overlanding equipment that we've just come out with. So we've got our retractable table and stool set, which has been a really hot item. All this kit packs into this one little briefcase-sized case, and you can see it's got the indentations here, which match up with this retracting stool. So it's really nice for just a quick meal on the go or something. It gives you to set something up in a jiffy. So a lot of people have been really liking that. We've also got our soft-sided overland storage bags. So these are pretty neat in that they fold flat when not in use. So the bottom zips out, and then you can just pop the sides in just like that. And then it's nice and compact. So for people that are doing van life, anything like that, it's really nice just to have a compact storage solution. We've also got some new tailgate trash bags out. So y'all might know our spare tire trash bags. Well, now we've got them for trucks as well. Put firewood or anything like that in there. We've got a new tactical hiking stick. So this has been really popular. Got a spear, fish scaler, bottle opener, knife attachment, all sorts of goodies. So got a lot of nice products. Y'all come check it out. And we appreciate y'all watching.
Appreciate it. So we'll keep adventuring. Appreciate it, Harrison.
Of course, man. Good seeing you.
Put this video out. Hey guys, so here with a friend Milo, and we're gonna check out his setup. It's YouTube channel,
Flexus the Lexus.
Flexus
Now-
Lexus.
What we're debuting this week or on this event is our new induction cooking system. We've switched to 400 amp hours and 5,180 watts. She's cooking on induction right now. It's an amazing, amazing thing. Using watt cycle batteries. Discount code Flexus the Lexus for 6% off, and those are already a great deal, and they're proven batteries. They're really good.
Nice.
Hard
We'll
to
take a
see, not
peek.
too bright, but yeah. Come on in, you can see what we're doing.
Oh, check this out. Induction cooking. That looks so good too.
Hi.
Hey.
Yeah. Hi.
Cool. So we're gonna find the rest of the crew and keep it moving.
Y'all have
Flexus
a good night.
Lexus.
This is an awesome event.
Flexus Lexus. Make sure to check it out. Hey guys, so we're here behind the scenes. I'm working on this video. Tomorrow, Catherine and I, we're gonna go hit up the Creators Corner and we're gonna walk over and check out everyone's setup. So you're not gonna want to miss part 2 of this video. We'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.